Okay, remember the long sounds and the short sounds. So the long sounds would be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Short sounds A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, O, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Runner, faster, colder, hotter, her, under, water, person, perfect, term. That, this, mother, father, other, gather, with, bath, path. Remember, the ch sound has two different sounds. It can sound like the ch or it can sound like the k, like cheese, chop, chin, chicken. These are common words. Short k sound: school, chemistry, technology, stomach. Sounds usually used for scientific terms, but not always. But when you see it for science, it is a k. Now, for the ow sound, this can either sound like ow, ah, oo, or either o or also oo. Remember, this belongs there. Okay? Out, loud, found, cloud. A sound: young, touch, double. Ooh, soup, you, group. Now this one is also should, could, would. It's also, I made a mistake there. But this one says oh. So you go soul. Right.